Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best license plate frames in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best license plate frames that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the powder pink stainless steel license plate frame. DFDM Nationals 1346 features an anti-theft design, which is the form of custom-designed stainless steel screw covers that are very difficult to remove, and therefore, a thief will have a very difficult time trying to access the screws below. This frame also has several options to choose from, and these include 5 color options, which are pink, gloss black, matte black, polished stainless steel and carbon fiber. Apart from this, there is also a 2-hole and 4-hole option, and you can select one with standard screw covers or with anti-theft screw covers. All are designed to fit US plates and can be used on domestic, European or imported trucks, RVs, trailers, SUVs, etc. Other features include a sturdy and premium SAE 304 stainless steel construction and a thick powder coating that protects against rust and corrosion. However, you only get a single frame per set, which means you need another one for the rear plate. Moving on at number 4, we have the Handcrafted Clear license plate frame. Though very costly, HC Hippo's license plate frame is the true definition of bling. Coming as a 2-piece set, the frames are lined with over 1,000 pieces of the finest SS20 clear white rhinestone crystals. These crystals maximize on light refraction and reflection, creating a bling, shiny effect that looks very luxurious, and this makes the set the top-rated license plate frames in this review. At the core is a corrosion-free stainless steel construction that is ground at the edges to be smooth and scratch-free, and has 2 holes at the top for attaching it to the car. Each of the frames measures a standard 12.25 by 6.25 inches in size, and it fits all novelty plates in the US and Canada without blocking any registration tag in the 4 corners. This makes it very versatile. Included with the plates are 4 washers, 4 standard screws and 4 screw cap covers, and these are designed to be easily installed without using any tools. At number 3, we have the Carrode license plate frames. Carrode's K001 has a sturdy build, primarily due to its stainless steel construction, which is stronger than aluminum and does not rust or corrode easily. On top of this, the frame's surface is sprayed to prevent oxidation, and this layer doesn't peel, which increases its durability factor. The package actually comes as a complete set containing 2 plates, 8 washers, 4 standard screws, 4 bolts, 8 screw cap covers and an Allen wrench for quick and easy installation straight out of the box, and despite having all these, the set is quite affordable, making it a worthy investment. Each of the frames has a standard size that measures 6-5/16 x 12 to 1/4 of an inch, which fits all US plates and especially Oregon and Ohio plates. Other features include a slim design, slick and thick edges that will not scratch your fingers, and 2 holes for easy installation. However, the frame is only available in a single black color, and therefore, if you need a shiny one, this will not work for you. At number 2 we have the Huhu license plate frames. Coming in as a 2-piece set, Huhu's license plate frame gives you value for money because you get to fit both the front and rear plates without buying anything extra. Additionally, you also get all the installation hardware as accessories, which include screws, screw fasteners, screw caps and a screwdriver, while an 8-piece set of self-adhesive foam can be used to line the rear corners of the frame to prevent it from scratching your car. That said, each of the 2 plates features 4 screw holes, which means firm installation to the vehicle's body, and they can be used in trucks, trailers and small cars provided it has 4 holes. Other than this, the frames are made of stainless steel, which is quite strong and has a polished, shiny surface that closely resembles a chrome finish. They are standard sized, measuring 6-3/8 x 12-1/4 inches, enabling them to fit all U.S. plates without blocking state tags on the corners. And finally, at number 1 we have the Sunplus Trade license plate frame. The 1070 from Sunplus Trade is a slim-style license plate frame with a simplistic design that has rounded corners, which are safe on your hands because they won't cause scratches. That said, the kit comes complete with 2 license plate frames, 4 screw caps, 4 machine screws, 4 self-tapping screws, 4 washers and a screwdriver, enabling you to do the installation straight out of the box without buying anything extra. Each of the plates is standard size to fit all U.S. plates without blocking any state tag, and measures 6-5/16 x 12-1/4 inch. Other features include a stainless steel construction, a silver polished chrome finish that is rust-proof and very durable. However, the pair is only available in a single color option, but as a complete set it is very affordable. E equals 0.4 s greater than. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.